Hello. Hi, good morning.
Yeah, good morning, ma'am. How are you?
I am very good. And what about you?
Yeah, I'm great. I'm nice. Thank you for asking. And ma'am, we are meeting maybe second time, yeah?
Yeah, correct.
Yes, yes. Maybe I talked with you 2 or 3 months ago.
Yeah, correct.
Yes, yes. And ma'am, first of all, please introduce yourself.
Okay, thank you for that. So, as you know, my name is Nazia. I am from Chhindwara, city of Madhya Pradesh. If you talk about my qualification, so I have done my master in English literature with a bachelor of education also. And by profession, I am a teacher. And my hobby is always learning new things, listening podcasts, reading a book. That's all my hobbies. And currently, I am a YouTuber too. You can search me English with Nazia. That's all about me. Thank
Yes,
you.
yes. It is a nice introduction also, and it is good to know about yourself. Yeah. And ma'am, right now also you are a teacher.
Yeah, correct.
Yes, yes. And how long have you been teaching?
I have been teaching for 5 years. So
5 years.
I'm not, I'm not working as a particular specific school. I'm just teaching from my home as a tuition teacher. So this is my whole journey to teaching field. So
Yes.
nowadays I'm also not going to outside. I'm just taking my classes from my home.
Yes, yes. And you have been teaching about 5 months and you have a lot of experience. Yeah. But in which subject do you teach?
Especially I'm very comfortable teaching to English. So
Yes.
all category of a student. But if you talk about elementary classes, so I take every subject equally. I have a good command.
Yes, yes. You have completed your master in English literature. Right now also you are teaching and you have been teaching about 5 years. You have a lot of experience in teaching. And my first question is, what do you think? Is English grammar is important for speaking English?
I can't say because this is a very exception for those learners who really want to improve your English. But this is my personal experience. By through, I can explain this in a properly. What happened? There is just two type of people. They follow. They suggest to the grammar first, and second one is they don't. They speak about there is no need to grammar. Just this is a language. You should have to take it as a language, so try to speak, and there is no need for grammar. But first group is they always suggest the grammar is more important for your speaking. So it is my personal experience. When I started learning grammar, so that time I am not able to speak English fluently. I have lots of rules and grammatical. I make lots of grammatical error. I am not able to articulate my idea in a properly. So what happened? Because that time I focusing Hindi to English like translating method. So that is totally useless for me. Then I heard about the listening habit, reading habit. So I started for the listening habit. So after listening, I was able to express my idea. So in this way, I can say listening, reading is most important. After having some time, if you start with the listening and with the writing, after between your mid time, nowadays I am focusing on the grammar. And
Yes, yes,
after expressing, firstly you should have to try the speaking. Then between the period you can learn grammar. Grammar is also important in this period, I can say, because it take too much time if you are not learning grammar and you just focusing only for listening and writing, so sorry, reading. So it is also, it works, but it takes too much time. If you are ready to expand your time for years, not for month, it's take years, yeah, like 4 years, 5 years. If you are consistent over your language, again every day you are speaking with your family member, your workplace, you are reading, you are listening. In this way, there is no need to learn grammar especially. But if you don't, if you are facing the problem like lack of environment, because we are Indian, that's why our environment is not friendly to learning this language. So we are creating our artificial environment. So in this way we
yes,
are learning this language. That's why grammar is important to us. So
yes, yes.
yeah.
I agree. I agree with you. Also, basic English grammar is important for speaking English because English is not my mother tongue. It is second or third language, maybe also. Yeah, and but that's also there is no good environment in our locality. There is no good environment at our home. No one speak English at our home. That's also English grammar is important in my point of view. My next question is, what kind of part of English grammar is important? Maybe tense, modal. Yeah.
Okay, so if you are beginner and you are intermediate, maybe because you should have to try with the listening habit, reading habit, then jump on the grammar. So there is most important you know about the grammar. So some grammar is most important is there like a tense. Tense is most important. If you know present, past, future, how to use perfect tense, so continuous tense, past continuous tense. So you can understand what you are thinking and what is your pattern of thinking, how you can express yourself, your idea, if you talk about the past, if you talk about the future, so how you will speak over there this particular situation and area. So in this way you should have to learn firstly tenses, and after before the tense you should have to learn grammar, sorry, verb types, first, second and third form you should have to learn verb form, it is also important. Then you should have to go with the tense and then models, and preposition also equally important. So
Yes.
this is
Yes.
a major part of grammar. So
Yes. Yes. You're right. Preposition also important.
yeah, active passive is also equally important, but it is a little bit of like a advanced level of a speaker they use active passive. So eventually, you speak someone he has a good command over their language, and they speak active passages also. So eventually, you grab their speaking and how they speak in this kind of sentences. Ultimated, it is a long lasting journey, so it's take time. There is no shortcut. So slowly and gradually you complete your particular topic and go ahead and go ahead. So there is a lot, so many things for learning. So it is not
Yes.
the end of the, yeah. And vocabulary, some fancy word also is there, and synonym, antonyms also. If you speak these words, so how you can polish and brush up this word in a next word. So in this way, every time you should have to ready for learning.
Yes. And ma'am, you have completed your master in English literature. You have been teaching about 5 years. You have a lot of experience in English language. But my next question is, when you started your English speaking journey at the beginning time, and at that time, what kind of method did you follow for your speaking English?
Uh, there is no one who taught me. If you really want to speak this language, you should have to follow this kind of shape and this kind of tips. You become a good speaker. One thing I had, that is my desire of learning this language. Only one thing. Anyhow, any cost, I should have to learn this language. It is my first question to my mind, and my why is totally clear, because it's a long lasting journey. If your why is clear and your burning desire and a strong desire on your heart, inside your heart, so you can achieve anything. Doesn't matter who someone is guided you or not guided you. God has given you everything for your, if your purpose is right and your mind is right direction, so everything will be possible in a right time. But you should have to do your hard work and keep patience. In this way you can achieve and you will get your destiny. So first thing, I searched so many things. I started from the learning the vocabulary, news words, and reading newspaper, reading the book. It is totally because my level was not there. Like reading self-help book, it is not possible to any other beginner. We don't know how to speak English and how to read properly. So who that is totally bedless, useless for them. So I started from the translating method. One day I found one speaker who speak about the listening habit. So I tried and I got the result.
Yes. Yes. And ma'am, I would like to ask another question to you. And where earlier, did you join any coaching center? Did you join any institute for your speaking English?
Yeah, I joined, but they never taught me about the listening habit, reading habit. For 1 month, I spent from the corona time, but they never speak the listening habit, and these are very reputed from the I search from the YouTube, Google. So like past info classes also, they have a big company for that. So they never taught me about the listening reading habit, but I'm just joined that classes. And that time, whenever I got a chance for speaking, my heartbeat become faster, and my I am shivering. I was shivering. That it's happened with me. But if you are ready for embarrassing, and if you are ready to making mistake, and if you are not thinking about the people, if I will make mistake, so people will laugh at me. 100% chance they will laugh at you. But if still you are ready for learning this language, no one can beat you.
Yes, yes. And I would like to ask another question to you. And what do you think? What is the better process for speaking English? Translating English or thinking English? What do you think? What is the better process?
Okay, better process. I will go with the definitely that is thinking in English. That is most important. This is a very great version of yourself if you are able to thinking on English. So in a initial time you are not able, but you what kind of sentence structure you have, what kind of information you have. Try to think over any particular topic in English, but it is not possible to everyone because we are habitual of our mother tongue. That's why our subconscious mind always accept only our mother tongue. That's why we habitually we go with our mother tongue. So we should have to try our mind in a positively, because this is also a language. I am just grabbing this language on my mind, and this is also part of my learning. So train your mind in this way, so in this way you can think.
Yes, yes.
And
And do you?
sometimes translation also works. Sometime, not mostly time.
Yes, yes,
Sometime, little bit of time, because we know, because our mother, we are very connected to our mother tongue. That's why we know that was only our mother tongue. If we use translate, okay, this is my mother tongue. I am also speaking. Sometime I stuck with the one word that is, reserve on my mind only my mother tongue. That is not. I am not familiar about the English term. So in this way also you can translate with your mother tongue to that particular word in English. So that would be also good. But totally depend on the translation method for fluency. It is totally useless. It will not going to work for you.
yes, yes. You're right. Also, and ma'am, my next question is, and what is your native language, and how many languages do you know?
Okay, my native language is Hindi because I belong to MP. So we have a good English. Sorry, we have good Hindi speaker. We are so just there is no extra influence of our mother tongue. Just we are simple Hindi. So I know as a Muslim, I know Urdu also, but I can read Arabic, but I can't speak Arabic. So and
Yes,
English as well as.
yes, yes. And ma'am, right now also you are speaking very well. There is no doubt. And in your family, do you have any member who is speaking English with you?
No one, no one with me who speak English with me. I'm just creating the atmosphere at my home with my kids and my student also, because if you really want to achieve something good, so you should have to polish up any one specific skill that is no one can like you. So in this way, I'm learning this language, and yeah, and I'm just trying to become a better version of myself.
Yes, yes. And do you have any partner? Do you have any friend who is willing to learn English in your locality?
No one is here. I'm not speaking someone in my locality because I am afraid of people are thinking, she know English. That's why she speaks in front of us for a reason of dominating us, and like embarrass, make feel embarrass us. So in this way, I'm not speaking anyone. If they are ready, if they will speak about me, I really want to improve my English. If you will help me, so definitely I will always try to speak with them. But I am not that kind of person who feel someone embarrassed, and in yeah, that's all.
Yes, yes. And ma'am, how long have you been using this application?
Okay, so I have been using this application since March. For in 5 month, 4 month, I completed. Yeah, so it is very good for me. And now I am speaking very well because of only one thing, that is this application. Because whenever I get the chance for speaking, I do. So in this way, I am learning. I am practicing. As you know, in my locality and at my home, there is no one with whom I can speak English. But I have a strong desire to learning this language and improving myself. That's why I'm learning.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. And when did you create your YouTube channel?
Last from the March, I upload
Ah,
I uploaded my first video because of before I don't know about this application. Just I watched some of the video like you, so I thought they are also doing they are practicing and they are improving their English, and they are uploading their video. Before I thought about only for uploading my video on YouTube or YouTube. Really want to become a YouTuber, so I was thinking about that what kind of video I should have to make in this way. But I got the idea seeing watching this kind of video. So I thought this will be good field for me. I will also improve and I can motivate to other people also. So yeah.
yes, yes. And you have been running your YouTube channel about 5 months, and you have been using this application about 5 months. But earlier, did you use another application? Did you use another application for your practicing purpose?
Yeah, I installed the application, that is Joe Stock application before for the November in this last year. So in this way, I completed over that application 3 or 4 months, and then I jump on this application. So this is a, yeah, learning process for me because I am facing the problem that is lack of involvement. Whenever you have any application, you get the involvement and you thought, okay, every day at least 20 minutes, 30 minutes I should have to prefer to myself for speaking in this application because I paid some money. So in this way, you are pressurizing yourself and you are pushing yourself for doing your practicing. So this is very good for me. Yeah.
And ma'am, you have been running your YouTube channel 5 months. You are, and also you are speaking very well. And after speaking English, are you happy in your life?
Sure, sure. Why not? I have a privilege of learning this language. I can express myself. Anyone who don't know my mother tongue, I can speak with them also, properly, friendly. And nowadays, I'm connected with the another diverse, different background people. So I am learning so many things. And you are from the West Bengal. I am speaking with you. I am learning. Eventually, I am learning something from you, and I am connecting with the another people. I This is not possible to me if I was staying at my home, never. So I'm just they are all the people are very productive mindset they have. So in this way, I'm just exploring myself and I am learning new things. So finally, I'm very happy.
Yes, yes. And ma'am, I belong to village area. Yeah, I belong to village area. And when I was starting in my school life, at that time my English was not good. I was very weak in English subject. That's why also I don't have a lot of vocabulary in my brain. Yeah, while speaking I get stuck. And after conversation, I was thinking it was very easy. But at that time, it does not come in my mind. Yeah, I have been facing this problem. I have to face a lot of problem while speaking in English. But my next question is, what kind of method do you follow for your improving your vocabulary skill?
Nowadays, I'm just grabbing the new word for communicate from the communication and from the conversation and from the reading and by the listening also. Whenever I listen any specific word that is like me, some word is like okay, this is very nice word. I should have to learn this and I should have to find what is the meaning of this word. So in this way, I'm learning and I am grabbing new words. But I am also consider myself I am not good at too much fancy vocabulary I have. But my upcoming days, I will definitely overcome this situation also, and maybe within a 1 week, 1 month, I become a good at vocabulary also. So in this way, I'm working over there also.
Yes, yes. And ma'am, what is your hobby? What is your goal?
Okay, so my hobbies, if we talk about my hobbies, so nowadays my hobbies, I'm very curious to learn new things. So I always my mind is always going on for the learning new things. So I'm very passionate. So in this way, I am taking the interest to of learning this language. I can't. I am not that kind of woman who's staying at their home in a idle. I'm not talking about the earning money. Earning money is also important, but still someone is not paying to me, and if they give me some work, so I will go with the work. So this kind of person I am. So in
Yes,
this
yes,
way, yeah, I always try to new experiment on my parenting, on my learning skills. So as you know, I'm mother, so I try to give, and as a teacher also I'm working. So there is also I'm implement new skill. I want to I watch some video like shorts also how to teach in a proper manner. So my student get the interest on teaching skill. So in this way, I am teaching like little kids also and younger also. So I'm just giving my effort towards, and that's all my hobbies.
yes, yes. And ma'am, right now you are a housewife. You have a lot of work in your home, and right now also you are a teacher. Being a teacher, you have to teach a few students, and right now also you are learning English as well as also you are running your YouTube channel. But how did you manage your time?
Okay, I am facing this problem for I am not good at time management. But my
Yes,
family member and my both kids, my husband too supported to me always. So especially I am here because of my husband's support. He always support me. So in this way I am managing all the things because my both kids also very sensible. I'm not saying that they are not supported to me. So in this way I'm learning, and yeah, I'm just doing first work that is most important, like preparing the breakfast on the time, preparing the lunch on time. In this way, and that is not too much important work, so I delay that work and I do my practicing. So in this way I am managing all the things, but yeah, in future I will expect myself as a more good at time management. So I am not good at there, just I'm trying to become a good.
yes, yes. All right, ma'am. It was nice conversation with you. Yeah. First of all, thank you for giving your valuable time. It was nice conversation with you. All right.